So you got a review on Google or some other review site and you want to respond, but you're not sure exactly what to say. That's where the review reply prompt comes in. If I scroll down, you'll see that we have a few questions here to answer, and we'll be able to click this button and get a reply to our review. So first things first, let's head over to SpeedMobi here. I'm going to grab this review. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to paste this in where it says review content. Of course, you always have tooltips here to be able to know what is being asked. Reply tone will be professional and friendly. The reviewer's name, we can just copy it right from here, paste it right in. Our company name and any extra instructions if you want to give it. Then we're going to hit this generate button here at the bottom. And then we're going to hit this confirm button right here. And the system will go ahead and run and give us a short and concise review reply. And here you can see, hello, Richard. Thank you so much for taking the time to leave this excellent review. You can see it goes on to, you can pause this if you want, but it goes on to reference what he said in his review, and it goes ahead and wraps it up nicely. So I can just copy this, come back over here, hit reply, and then go ahead and paste that in. And there you have it. The review is up and we're on to the next one. So this prompt here makes review replies fast and easy for you, for your clients, and hope you enjoy it. Have a great day.